Hello, everyone. Welcome back to chapter 3. And today we're going to start with the next topic, which is we're going to using writing the recurrence relations in the symbolic form. So, what is the recurrence relation first? I need to let you guys understand. Um, so, in this section, we can name and label each term to make them easier to refer to. And then we need to know the values and rules of sequence by writing down the recurrence relation for this sequence. So normally we're using the symbol T0 and T1, T2 to name and label it for each terms. So T0 means initial term, which is starting point, or we say starting point. And the difference, take the power of terms, which is if I say t cube, that means t times t times t. Okay, so first thing first, let's start with the question A. T1 are equal to something, so it's just 2. So it's sorry, T0 is the initial. T0, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. Okay, so T1 is equal to 8. Um, so T4 will be equal to 26, and T5 will equal to 32. So also we need to know something is called recurrence relations. It's the mathematical ways to say that they generate the sequence. First thing, we need to remember those two parts. First one, the starting point, the value of terms starting of the sequence, and a rule that using the generate the successive terms in the sequence. If I say starting with 2, so starting with 2, and 8, 14, 20, which is we're adding 6 for the current terms, 3, repeat the process. 2 points are related. All right, now we have some question like that. So if you have to write down the first 5 terms, the sequence define the recurrence relation. If your T0 equal to 30, that means 30 starting. Tn plus 1 equal to Tn minus 5. What does that mean? If I means n start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, so this is different terms. So that means my T1 is equal to T0 plus 1. Does that make sense? Hopefully that makes sense. So that means equal to T0 minus 5. This is from the question. So which means in your next term, T1 are equal to 30 minus 5, which is 25. So that means first two terms 30, 25. And now we keep going. Because we know T1 equal to 25. So we're going to figure out the T2 equals. We don't know the T2 equals. So now T2 equal to T1 plus 1, right? N plus 1. This is what we know. So N now equal to 1 now. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. And then minus 5. So that means T1 minus 5 is T2. So that equal to 25 minus 5 equal to 20. So T2 equal to 20. So we keep going. Now we're going to T3. T3 equal to T2 plus 1. So we always plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, because they telling you it's gonna plus 1 recurrence. So now what we know is t2 minus 5, and then it's 20 minus 5 equal to 15. So which is t3 equal to 15. And now we have 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is t0. So now we need to know t4 equals, which is our 5 terms, the first 5 terms. So now we know t3 equal to 15, so t4 equal to t3 plus 1, that equal to t3 minus 5, that equal to 15 minus 5 equal to 10. So then the last term is 10, comma, and we just keep going. So that's it. So 5 terms, this is your final answer. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay. Later on, we're gonna do one more question during the class, and we can try to do more practice and give you guys more ideas what is going on about these kind of things. All right. So now I'm gonna stop and I'll let you guys uh to revise a little bit your knowledge, and then we talk about in the next time. Okay. See you guys next time.